Once upon a time, in the Carpathian Mountains, we turned the page for the third chapter of our story and came to realize the beauty and glory of mankind and the duality that rules the lands of man and consciousness. As we hold the pencil and begin to write the new adventure in our book, we think of this duality and propose to forget about it, and through dance and fire to become one. Great storytellers will guide our journey to the spirit of the forest in order to become one with everything. In our path, we'll meet some friendly creatures, but also we'll have to be careful for the evil spirits. Guarded by mystical creatures, this is the gate between our divided world and the magical land. Beginning our journey, we will feel the powerful vibration of the forest. Welcoming creatures of the kingdom will show us the path and give us the map. The old keeper of the forest is awakened. Hold your hands together and join him in your circle. Be one with your fellow. Be one with the forest. We'll have to be strong. The dividing force is following us. Stay close. Solve the riddle of love to pass the giant of the tree. There are no words, only feelings. The stronger ones will have to fight and conquer the evil spirits sent by the dividing force. You will not be alone in this. More great spiritual warriors will come and join forces. Fire, water, air, and earth will mingle, reunited by time and space. It's you and them. Unite! We are so close. We begin to feel already as one. Hold tight. Love stronger. We are almost there. We'll have to join our minds and hearts in the last battle against the dividing spirits. Finally, one love, one mind. We'll dance together from now till forever. The forest awaits you. Join us on 8th of July in the magic location of Sons of Gaia Festival. Dare to pass the gates.